Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple bots into your Discord server. Just simply type in discordbotlist.com and then hit enter. This site introduces you in a different series of bots that you can place into your server. So let's say you want to add this bot, just simply click add bot, invite this into our server, and then it will redirect us to a new page where we can choose what server we want to place this bot into. Authorize it. And there you go. It is now in your server. So let's do it again for different bots. Just repeat the same steps that we did earlier and then we're good to go. So that's it for quick tutorial today. As you can see here, the bots have been installed and thank you for listening.